All right, we're revisiting Mary Had a Little Lamb very briefly. And I was just talking about the magic of fingering. It's your choice how you want to do the opening measures of this little chord solo. But the notes are E, D, C, D, E, E, E. You can slide, you can use one finger. I was messing with a stretch here where I have my index finger on the third fret, my middle finger on the fifth, and my baby finger on the seventh, because they're all the notes ready to play. So it's la, 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 la. So basically holding my index finger down through the whole motif. Then our G with a D note melody, and then the C chord, an E note, and a G note. The whole melody falls on the A string. So we repeat this again. So I'm getting in my little position here. Then a G, and an E note, D note, C. Watch this. I'm making a regular old C chord, so I'm going to slide it with my ring finger. So I'm playing a tenor. There's a dot here, that's all I can tell you, is where it connects with the body. I'm terrible at counting frets. Somebody tell me which fret that is. It's the 17th?
15.
15. So I got a dot. Don't hesitate to put some little piece of tape down there to help you. This is a great way to end a song in the key of C, to just slide. So I'm going.